know we are all sick and tired of spending an hour plus in the shower washing our hair, and then as soon as we wash our hair, do the little wash and go, it lasts for about 3 days. Not today.
Let me holla at the DJ. Come on, DJ, put the record on the replay. Don't you see how them bitches move their booty? Every time you play this record, smell like ash.
Hi everyone, it's Mussette here, and today I'm going to show you my routine and my technique, which is probably thousands of other people's technique, but this is how I do it. How I preserve and keep my wash and go going during the week so it's not a frizzy mess by Tuesday. And I just washed it on Monday. Get your popcorn, get your notepad, and let's hop into it. So what I like to do after I take a shower, after everything's been conditioned and shampooed, I put my hair into this bun, because opposed to having my hair just out and loose and dripping wet, I feel like having my hair like this helps with the frizz, and it helps keep the moisture locked in. Okay, so number 2, the brush that you use when you're styling your hair is so important. This brush is not going to give you the same results as this brush, and these brushes are not going to give you the same results as a Denman brush. So you really have to choose carefully what you want to style your hair with. This brush right here, I love to use whenever I am detangling in the shower. It really helps with keeping the hair in, babes. It doesn't do any yanking, no pulling. I would never use this brush to style because I feel like this is not going to give me as much definition. So that's why I like to style with this brush. This is the Camille Rose brush. It's kind of like what was that brush that was really popping during 2020? The Felicia Weatherwood brush. Get you one of these. Y'all, my hair has grown so much. I feel like the back of the hair is not my business. What I like to do first is I'm going to separate the hair and down by half because it's just easier to get the product through. Get you a good leave-in. Not be afraid to spend money on a good leave-in. I really love the Aveda one, if that would focus. I really love this one. It's about to be empty. So if you have not tried Marc Anthony Strictly Curls line, you can find it at Target. Heaven sent. Just find a good leave-in, babes, and then that's gonna be your base. Why won't it work? Something's wrong with the nozzle, so I'm just gonna put it in my hands, run through. I also like this Super Milk Conditioning Hair Primer from, what's that store? Lush. This is really good too. It smells like cinnamon in a way. It's really different. So I like to actually put this on the ends. Oh my gosh, these bottles are terrible. Water is literally a necessity when it comes to doing your hair. You want to make sure that your hair is at least, I want to say 75% wet whenever you're styling, just so that your curls just come through more. So now the next step is a really good curling cream. You want to make sure you have the curls together forever. I really, love my homegirl, the Home Curl from Fenty Hair. This stuff, if you have not tried Fenty Hair yet, what are you doing? Run! Let me know if you like Fenty Hair in the comments below. Take a little bit, put it in your hand, rub it together, go in. I think I took a lot. I took way too much, actually. So now the final step to layering the hair products onto the hair, you could take a foam or a gel. Camille Rose has me in a chokehold with their gel and also their foam. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this curl maker just to have some definitions on the ends. Literally just this much. And I'm gonna rake that through. I think after using this gel, I don't really need the spiked mousse, so I'm not gonna use that today. Now I'm going in with my brush. Literally, this brush is my favorite because look, get straight to the point. See, you don't have to do too much with this brush. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this process throughout the whole head, and then I'm gonna come back and get to the drying process. Okay, so the hair is all combed through, baby. It has layers on layers and layers of product. So what I'm gonna do is let my hair air dry for like an hour, come back and see the progress, because I feel like going in on wet hair with a hair dryer or even a diffuser maybe might just mess up the whole process of keeping those curls intact. It makes my hair so frizzy if I start doing it now. Hold on! Who is this? My hair is about 75% dry right now. One of the things that really helped my wash and go stay washed in Wint. I would let my hair air dry and then I would wear it like this. It would stretch out during the week because I would put it up in a puff. The girl likes some volume. We want some length. Next up you'll need is a blow dryer, hair dryer, however you say it. A diffuser. This one is from Diva Curl. When I tell you the back is not my business, it makes no sense. My hair is still a little bit damp, but what I'm gonna do is just shake it out a little bit. Let's get a hair pick. Also, before I end the video, I want to emphasize that this is a wash and go. The reason I didn't blow dry the roots of my hair or anything that I would normally do, because blow drying the roots of my hair is the root of the problem for getting frizzy hair during the week. Really, the key here is just don't touch your hair. This is my tutorial on how to keep your wash and go going all week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned at least one thing during this video, and I will see you in my next one.